Today, we're going to present the 10 business opportunities that can help people to grow as entrepreneurs and professionals. These opportunities show how technologies and services create a modern career. Let's start with the first one.
Hello, I am an online teacher. E-learning allows me to conduct lessons using digitals, online modules, and digital tools. I can teach students anywhere in the world without them needing to come to a classroom.
And I am a student learning online. E-learning is very convenient because I can study at my own pace, review lessons anytime, and access learning materials digitally. I am a referral agent. I connect clients with trusted businesses through online platforms. Every time a client uses the service I earn a small commission. This way, it's will help the customer find the right service.
Hello ma'am, I am a technician, so I provide computer repair and maintenance directly at the customer location. I fix software problem, clean hardware, and ensure CAM work properly.
I am business owner. I sell product directly to the customer, either face-to-face or online. I explain the features, answer questions, and show how product works. It helps me to earn commission and start my new business. Hi guys, I have a product here which is bag. This is very unique bag because the design, the color of the bag, and this is nana siya idaghang color sa yellow basket, guys. You can choose what you want, what you like. Then nana siya sa yellow basket. Please buy.
Oh, I like this product. I should buy this. Oh, I love this bag so much.
I am a student. I broadcast live streams, debates, earn sponsorship, and receive donation from supporters. Gaming is not just fun, it's a business.
I am the consultant. I help businesses solve problems and improve their operation. I analyze data, give advice, and suggest the strategies for growth and efficiency. I help websites appear at the top of search engines by improving keywords, content, and visibility. I help businesses reach more customers online.
I write press release, prepare announcements, and ensure the business communicates well with the public. PR consulting is important because it builds trust, protects reputation, and struggles a company public image.
We are the inspectors. We inspect the houses to ensure they are safe and in good condition.
I check walls, plumbing, wiring, and other parts of house to prevent problem for buyers.
Information professionals. I collect, organize, and manage data for businesses. Accurate and organized information helps companies make smart decisions and improve efficiency.